truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Going to the Royalton. Yep. We have a sandals here too.
Oh yeah. So you guys, ooh, camera's a little messed up. So you guys, we got the Diamond Club, which is basically like they give you a little bit more incentives. You pay a little extra and you get like a butler and all other stuff. Anyway, this butler that we have, both of them actually, the one is not here, but the other one, they literally find us wherever we are. Like we're literally on the beach right now. Sometimes we'll be in the dining hall, sometimes we'll be at the restaurant, and they'll just like pop up out of nowhere. So me and Troy think that there might be a little tracking device in this little wristband that they give us, because I'm telling you, how do you go throughout the whole resort and just find us exactly where we are? Like we'll just be chilling, they don't come out of nowhere and be like, hi, how are you? Like on some Jeffrey shit. And I just be wondering, like, how did they find us? Like seriously, I don't know. It's like the craziest thing ever. Like we'll be in the most random spot and we'll just see them like out of nowhere. Like, I don't know. What's up, you guys?
What's up, TNT gang? You already know what's going on. We back at it again with another vlog.
Yeah.
Anniversary time.
Anniversary vlog.
Got a little special surprise for y'all.
Yes.
Where we at?
We're in Grenada. And we love it here. It's been so amazing. This is our second day here. And our vlog is a little all over the place because we've really just been enjoying it. But we gotta show y'all what our room looks like. We're gonna insert some clips.
Show y'all what they did to our room.
Yes, but for now, we're gonna show you in real life, real time, what our room looks like. It's so beautiful. And like I said, we're gonna insert some clips from earlier during the day. But let's show you guys what our butlers did for us. They did a little anniversary setup for us. We have a bottle of champagne. We got some flowers, some rose petals. And by the way, you guys, these are actually like real flowers. Like I'm not even kidding. These are like legit real.
Artificial flowers.
Not artificial.
Nah, real flowers.
That's two different things.
And just put them on our bed.
Not the trees, child. But yeah, this is just so sweet. Our butler set this up and Troy let them know, so they got it all together for us, and it's just so special. I really love it, and we're like, oh my goodness, I don't want to ruin it. For real, for real. It's currently, I think, what, 9 o'clock?
It's like 7:30,
7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, and we just got back from dinner and we're a little tired. I got my little dinner fit on from Fashion Nova, and Troy got his fit on from his closet. I don't know where it's from, but we both look so cute. We took some pics. So make sure you guys follow us on Instagram at Tatiana Chanel and at Troy Shorts.
T-shorts underscore, not Troy Shorts.
T-shorts underscore. Follow us because we got so much to post, so much to show you guys, and the trip is not over. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe because it's about to be so crazy. This whole entire trip has been so amazing so far. And yeah, we appreciate you guys for still rocking with us, and we hope you guys love this video. Stay tuned. They drive crazy out here. All right, you guys, we're about to do a private tour because evidently the other one was booked, so we're gonna do private. And I feel like I'm gonna turn up again. So, good morning.
Hi, Jim.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. What did you like to do this morning?
Well, I know she wanted to see the monkey.
Definitely want to see the monkeys.
Yeah. On the way up, if we see any bananas, we will stop and get some ripe bananas.
Oh, okay.
So that will encourage the monkeys to come.
We have some in our bag too.
Oh, you have some?
Yeah.
Good. Is this your first trip here to Grenada?
Yes.
Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed, and I will do my best to make you enjoy it.
Yay.
It's so weird y'all drive on the left side.
Right?
I said it's weird for me that y'all drive on the left side.
Yeah, we drive on the right.
When I first went to the States, it was awkward for me. When my daughter driving, and I'm sitting and I say, but wow, and the vehicle is passing close to me.
Right.
You'll be going, you see those antennas up there?
Yeah.
You'll be going up there.
Oh, great.
Wow.
Jeez.
That's where the monkeys are?
That's where the monkeys are. That's where the talk cannot be forward. All up there.
Wow.
The monkeys are very friendly.
I hope so.
Yeah.
They love bananas.
They love bananas, and the people,
Aww.
like the visitors, when they go there, they hold their hand like a train.
Aww.
Like a train link.
Yeah.
And the monkeys will jump from one person to the other, and they have the banana over here.
Wow.
Jump to get the bananas from that person and take it and go back.
Wow.
Sometimes they sit on your head and eat it.
Put my tracks out.
I love it here.
Aww. I wish I could live here.
You will try.
Yeah, maybe one day. We're still very young and we don't have any kids, so maybe one day.
Maybe one day.
The plants and the flowers are so beautiful.
Yes. All these here little guest houses.
Wow.
The restaurants over there. Grenada beaches on the other side. The best beach on the island.
Oh yeah, we heard about that.
2 miles of pure white sand.
Wow.
Crazy.
The Spiceland supermarket is down there.
Wow.
Do they play American football out here?
American football?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Soccer?
Just our local football.
Oh, okay. Look at them playing football. Wow.
Those are kids' school children.
Wow.
They come and play games. This area here is called Wall Street.
Wall Street.
Buying and selling money. For you to come and spend your money, get things to eat and drink.
Wow. Wall Street.
Wall Street. See all those little booths there?
Yeah.
They sell food all day long and in the nights.
Wow.
Food look good on the truck too.
Right.
Yeah. That building
that white
right in the end,
Yeah.
that white building, that's supposed to be a hotel. It should have been open already, but something went wrong with the contractors and the government,
Oh.
and it's going on 3 years now. That building project stopped.
Vacant.
What hotel was it supposed to be?
That was the Flamboyant.
Oh, that was the Flamboyant.
Yeah, and it's sold to a different company, but it's very nice when you pass by and you see the very nice place.
Wow.
So if it was open, it would be very nice.
Wow, that's a shame.
You got it?
Yep. Thank you.
Wow. Look at that water. And that,
Yeah.
the
The
beach.
water is so blue.
Sheesh.
I don't know what went wrong, but
Yeah. It's okay, we'll buy it. You can stay there.
yes.
That's so crazy. That happens a lot in the United States too.
Oh, and that's lots of money that's
Yeah.
wasted.
Yeah,
Right.
wasted money, yeah. So hopefully they can get that together soon.
Yes, I hope so. New government that took over, it's about a year now. The new government that been formed here. We're hoping that something may happen. It's where the cruise ship comes in, the hospital.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
That is Fort George.
Oh wow, that's Fort George.
Yeah, that is where the revolution ended. Right there, those stalls walls you see there. Lots of local people jumped those walls to save their lives, but their lives didn't save, they died.
Wow.
Because the army was coming from this end. It's only one way in and one way out.
Wow.
Just shooting at people. So they tried to save their life by jumping.
Wow.
But who got the foot break, who died, who can't.
What was the war over? Like, what was the war about?
It was a separation between the army who wanted power.
Oh wow.
So they shot the prime minister, and lots of his ministers, they lined him up against the wall on Fort George. They shot them down.
Wow.
The primary schools is free education.
Okay.
Free school books.
It's like America.
Yes. This present government come in and they put them to have a free school books, free meals when they come.
Okay.
The previous government, they used to have to pay for their school books.
Oh wow.
But this one couldn't do all of that. So the parents get a big ease in the books.
Yeah, that's good.
Those are nutmegs.
Wow.
The yellow part on the outside, that is what they take and make nutmeg jam and nutmeg jelly.
Wow.
The mace is on the inside of that yellow pod. The nutmeg is inside of the mace.
Okay.
So the mace that they can make, they ship it away and make fingernail polish, lipstick.
Wow.
The nutmeg is what you take and make with your jam, your punches, or whatever it is.
Right.
Right.
Through the rock. See the hole there?
Yeah.
When they hear rain falls and it's heavy, it sprays out.
Wow. You're so high up. Ready, Troy?
You ready?
He said just come down here and we're like, by ourselves.
You probably seen this on the million times.
Right. He said he's taking his time. Look how beautiful it is.
Look at that monkey.
Where?
In the thing. Look at it. Right there. You want to see the monkey?
No.
It's
Oh.
right there.
Wow. Look at it. Hi, little monkey. Aww. So cute. Natural water, beautiful. Very beautiful.
See like on the hill over there?
Oh yeah.
Those green patches are all through the island over there. And the vendors in the market comes every Wednesday and Thursday and buy from these people and sell to the public Friday and Saturday.
Wow. That's great.
Yeah. Over there we get lots of tomatoes, cabbage, carrots, you name it, lettuce, everything.
Wow. Nice and fresh.
Yeah.
We're playing basketball.
December month, they get a certain height, cut it and sell to the public to put Christmas trees in your home.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks like Christmas tree.
Yeah, they have the shape like it.
Yeah.
They take these trees and make furniture.
What?
The furniture usually give you two colors, blue and off-white.
Oh,
If you
wow.
cut that tree now as it is green, you see inside of the tree is blue and off-white.
That's tough.
When it's dry, the blue part becomes brown and the off-white part remains off-white.
Okay.
So you
Wow.
get that two-color furniture that look very nice when it's varnished and everything.
Yeah.
Alright.
We're about to go see the monkey.
wrap their tail around a branch to go reach for it. Right? So the males are the ones that goes out hunting, right? Every 6 months, a female monkey that is 2 years and older will make one monkey.
How old are these monkeys?
How old? A couple months, approximately 3 months. These monkeys, sorry, they are not 3 months. They are approximately 7 months. Because after a year and a half, these monkeys will go out finding food. So the males, they will go out to find food. So these ones, they are males. Presently, they are learning to hunt on their own. Monkeys always travel in packs. Packs consist of 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 18. Right? So presently, these guys are trying to find food on their own. The female monkeys or the baby monkeys, they continue to stay.
Oh wow.
All over there, but the grass grow in.
Ah. I bet you some big fish.
Oh yeah, there's some big fishes there. They're not allowed to catch, but I know people come secretly and fish.
Oh wow.
If the law catch them, they could be fined.
Oh, wow.
Especially because there's no people that not allowed to fish here. The fish probably just get huge.
Yeah. But this one here was the old one, and in 1983 it was bombed by one of the American helicopters.
Oh, wow.
But no one died. The reason why they went underground, there was an underground
Bunker?
place, yes,
Wow.
they go in. Because the soldiers, up there was a soldier camp. And when the soldiers saw the bombers coming from that direction, they were running this way.
Wow.
So the bombers thought here was a camp, but the camp was up there.
Oh, wow. Wow, look at that house. Are a lot of the rich people Grenadian or from another country?
Grenadian.
Oh, Grenadians. Wow.
But the other government sold it to a very rich American.
Oh, no.
And
Wow.
He opened a resort over there.
What?
Only rich people that goes there. Everyone that goes in the yachts and the rich people that come from away and goes there. And that big black yacht you see there, that's the owner of the yacht, the owner of the island. Big black yacht you see in there.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
That's his yacht.
So he's there right now.
Yeah, he's there right now. That's his yacht. So that's it.
Do you know his name?
No, I don't know. His name.
No.
That yacht is
Wow.
massive.
It's huge.
He opened a resort there and only rich people go there. Next weekend is a big holiday here.
Right.
That people will go over there, used to go over there and swim by boats and spend the day, spend the weekend.
Right.
No, you can't go there.
Wow.
A couple months ago, some people went there swimming, and all they see was some big dogs come and stand up on the beach, grinning the teeth at them.
Ooh.
So they couldn't go. You see the nice beach you have there? That little,
Yeah. I see
very
the
nice
beach.
beach there? Yeah. People go there and enjoy it. Look at the beach there.
So if you go over there, they're gonna have dogs out.
Oh yes, if you go there, they get eaten by
Better have
dogs.
some money.
Yeah, lots of money.
What's up, you guys? We're walking the beach and just seeing how everything is around us. We had such an eventful day today. From the last clips of the vlog, we were in the mountains, I don't even know. Yeah, it was so much fun. We learned so many different things about Grenadian culture, and our tour, we had a private tour guide. He was so informative and just really like showed us the country, and it was so beautiful. Like seriously, we're coming back here, and next time we come back, we're gonna come back in August because it's carnival, and we didn't even know about carnival. Like I thought it passed. For some reason, I always think carnival is like in the winter or something. I don't know. I just thought it passed, or winter for us at home. But yeah, we just left the pool. We were in the pool for a little minute, right? We're in the pool for like 2 hours almost. And just relaxing. Like, you know, we always say it's always hard to vlog on vacation because we really just enjoy every single moment of it. But when we do have a moment and we just like want to share it with you guys, we'll definitely pick up the camera and show you guys. The resort is beautiful, so we will be sure to drop like room tour videos, videos of the resort, excursions, things like that for you guys to enjoy, because definitely have to come to Grenada for sure. I said it again. Come to Grenada. Accent is coming out of nowhere. I don't know where it's coming from, but every time I say something, it's just like coming out of nowhere. I was talking to this lady from UK, and I just started talking like I was from UK. was like, Troy was looking at me like, girl, you better stop it. We're gonna get dressed for dinner and then enjoy the rest of our night. Go to like a little show or something. I forget what type of show they're having tonight. They're doing something. Trivia? No, I don't know. They're always doing something. This resort is so peaceful, so relaxing. Exactly what we needed for our anniversary. So yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You guys, when we walked into our room, our butler had put farewell on our bed and gave us a bottle of Merlot. That is so sweet. Considering it's our last night in Grenada. I really love that. They really did it up for us. Like, how cute. You're gonna make me cry. I don't wanna leave. It's our last day.
It's our last day.
So sad, but we had the best time ever.
Coming back next week.
Literally next week, it's like. Bye-bye, Grenada. It was a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Room for you guys to see the vlog.